Welcome to Perspective. Today's story is Swami Vivekananda and an American woman. When Swami Vivekananda went to America, he delivered lectures at various places. The people were so impressed by his thought and vision that his programs were attended by thousands of people of various walks of life and ages, all over the country. In one such program, an American woman came to him and said, "I want to marry you." Swami Vivekananda calmly asked the lady, "Why do you think so?" The woman said, "I am very deeply impressed by your intellect and personality. By marrying you, I can have a brilliant son like you." Swami said to the woman, "Fine. Madam, I appreciate your love for me. We can marry, if you are so impressed by my intellect. But, as you know, the process of getting married and bearing a child is a very long one. Also, there is no guarantee that the child will be a boy, and that he will be intelligent. A sense of uncertainty prevails over the whole issue. On the contrary, I have an idea, by which your wish will be fulfilled immediately, with no lapse of time." The lady was stunned. She curiously asked, "What is that?" "If you accept me as your son, you will become my proud mother, and your desire to get a brilliant son like me will also get fulfilled," Swami said with a smile. Amazed by Vivekananda's reply, the woman bowed her head and became his disciple.